Coming up next, the impact of dishonesty in the lives of believers who intentionally fail to keep their promises to God through cunning lies and greed.
On the contrary, brothers and sisters, gusto kong i-close dito sa istorya ng mag-asawa. Kita nyo nung panahon na may mga milagro na ginagawa ang mga apostol. Bakit mayroon pa rin mga tao na hindi tapat sa Panginoon? Sa chapter 5 ng Book of Acts, ito ay tungkol sa mag-asawa. Believer po ito. At nag-sacrifice sila na ibenta ang kanilang property. Ang problema, hindi sila naging tapat. Binigay nila yung hindi kabuuan na ipinangako nila sa Diyos. Verse 1, Now a man named Ananias, together with his wife Sapphira, also sold a piece of property. With his wife's full knowledge, alam ni Sapphira ito. Ananias kept back part of the money for himself. Alam ng asawa, nagtago ng part ng money itong si Ananias. But brought the rest and put it the apostles' feet. Gaya ng ginagawa ng karamihan, ilalagay nila sa paanan ng apostol yung kanilang napagbentahan. Sabi nila, ito na po lahat, yung aming napagbentahan. Verse 3, Then Peter said, Ananias, how is it that Satan has so filled your heart that you have lied to the Holy Spirit and have kept for yourself some of the money you received for the land? Didn't it belong to you before it was sold? And after it was sold, wasn't the money at your disposal? What made you think of doing such a thing? You have not lied to men, but to God. Listen, brothers and sisters. Namatay itong dalawang ito. Nauna po yung lalaki, sumunod yung babae. Pagdating ng babae, sinabi din sa kanya ni Pedro na nagsinungaling kayo sa Holy Spirit. Namatay sila. Pinagtabi sila ng libing. No? What is the lesson here, brothers and sisters? Be careful with your promises to God. Kung ipinangako mo ang anumang bagay sa Panginoon, hindi po makakalimutin ng Diyos. And God will honor you if you do and keep your promises. Hindi natin kailanman madadaya ang Panginoon. Pag sinabi natin, Lord, yung 10% lang po bibigay ko sa iyo, the Lord will respect that. Pero pag sinabi mo, Lord, lahat ng ito, mapagbentahan ko para sa iyo yan, then keep your promise. Because if not, baka ganito ang mangyari. Disaster. No? Do you think safe itong dalawang ito? No. They have sinned against the Holy Spirit, which is unforgivable. Nagkasala sila sa Holy Spirit. No? Kaya mga kapatid, kung ano man ang meron tayo na galing sa Panginoon, let us always remember, hubad tayo ipinanganak sa mundong ito. Hubad din tayo aalis sa mundong ito. Wala tayong madadala kahit anumang bagay. What matters is our personal relationship, personal commitment to the Lord. Ito ang pinaka-mahalaga sa buhay ng tao, mga kapatid.
You have just heard Bishop Manny's message on the impacts of spiritual unity, generosity, and dishonesty in the Christian living. God richly bless you. Thanks for watching.